Earth, the third closest planet to the Sun, the fifth largest planet in our solar system, the place that we call home. It is the only known planet that is able to support life, making the goal to protect our habitat even more important. Earth is surrounded by an atmosphere that protects our planet from outside forces, such as radiation and meteors. The atmosphere keeps the Earth's temperature at a level that supports life and contains the oxygen that we need to breathe. If we are talking in terms of environment, Earth is our habitat. A habitat is the place where an organism such as a plant or animal lives. An ecosystem refers to the interconnected web of species that live within that habitat. Each habitat contains within it specific characteristics that support the individual needs of those species. The hawksbill turtle is named for its narrow, pointed beak, which it uses to feed on sponges in the coral reef in which it lives. The coral reef is a habitat which houses thousands of species of fish and other invertebrates. The hawksbill turtle is a vital part of the coral reef ecosystem by removing the sponges that threaten the reef's surface. The hawksbill turtle is on the World Wildlife Federation's critically endangered list of animals. Threats such as loss of nesting habitats, fishing, coastal development, and wildlife trade have dwindled the number of hawksbill turtles to alarming numbers. What will happen to the coral reef ecosystem if it loses this vital part of its habitat? Biodiversity is the term used to explain the variety of life found on this planet. The increase in the human population is the primary cause of the loss of biodiversity throughout the world. Human activity has created the greenhouse gases, which are responsible for global warming. Global warming has caused climate change, which has had far-reaching effects on the environment, including air and ocean temperatures, changes in ocean and wind currents, rising sea levels, and levels of precipitation. Humans are also consuming more and more natural resources, like the gas we use when we drive, the electricity we use in our homes and workplaces, and the consumable products we purchase every day. Other threats that humans create for the environment include pollution in the air, water, and land, deforestation, and the development of land which destroys animal habitats. If a species cannot adapt fast enough to the change in their environment, then they risk becoming extinct. So what can we do to help? Besides becoming educated in the ways that humans impact the environment, we can change our behaviors in the smallest ways. For instance, making sure we put our trash in the garbage can, or even better, recycling to keep from filling up our landfills. Planting gardens and purchasing locally grown and made materials. Planting trees which produce oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from the air. Use cars less frequently by carpooling or using public transportation. Many businesses are changing their policies to adopt a more environmentally friendly approach. Companies like Starbucks make helping the environment an important part of their business. Starbucks is making sure they are building more energy-efficient stores that conserve energy and water. They use recyclable materials and offer recycling to customers. They even help their farmers work on lowering their impact on the environment. Companies like Sungevity exist with the sole purpose of creating a product that will allow us to live more environmentally friendly lives. Sungevity produces solar panels that people can purchase and connect to their homes. These solar panels gather energy from the sun. People can use this energy to power the electricity in their homes instead of getting energy from a power plant, which often uses coal or natural gas to generate power. These are just a few examples of how we can become more environmentally friendly. It is important to think about and discover new ways we can change the negative impact humans are having on the planet. It is up to us to change the future before it is too late. The Earth is our home and we need to protect it. We can each play a part. Maybe you can be the person that changes the world. Can you open your mind to the possibilities? How can you change the world?